promise to not eat you even if I have the chance. And yeah, we are imposters! And we obviously don't have shoulders! And look at my tongue!
I love you.
My nose is showing. Are you done?
I don't need nothing else, I promise.
Hi, I'm Charm, and I like chocolate, and ice cream, and and I will brush my tin, and I don't know what I'm doing right now.
But I don't need a whole lot. Over you, I did.
It's Callie, and I like chocolate. It's very smooth and silky and just delicious. And I like going to my grandma's house because she makes very good meatballs and very good steak and all that stuff. And she makes very good desserts. And I go to Save on Foods there, and once I saw this guy, and he was very funny looking. And yeah.
I need somebody.
Hey! It's Sage. I like Justin Bieber, and guess what? If chins had shoulders, my shoulder would be hurting right now thanks to Sam. Oopsie! She told me to not move. It didn't work though. She jumped on my shoulder. A chin face!